YouTube, hey, it's your boy KD back at it again. Another day, time for another preset. I know a lot of y'all been waiting on this preset. We got that, hey, mama. We got that Migos preset, man, you feel me? Hey, so we gonna go ahead and get into it right now. And just to let y'all know, this ain't gonna make you sound like the Migos. It's gonna give you a clean mix. Your voice gotta sound like them in the beginning to get that sound. So mimic their voice a little bit, hey, and you'll be on the right track to sound like it. Hey, but I'm gonna let y'all hear the preview right now. We got some raw Migos vocals. I'm gonna play it raw first, then I'm gonna play the mixed vocals so you can see how good the preset really is.
It's time to move righteous, I'm moving precise. I look at my schedule, no time for no wifey. Hit her like crap with a seal of 3 dice. Hit double tapping, you niggas gon' like it. It's just a little post, you niggas ain't piping. Fitting in the strap in the cinnamon biting. Baguettes in the cross on an iced out Christ. I put it on God, I put it on life. Time to move righteous, I'm moving precise. I look at my schedule, no time for no wifey. Hit her like crap with a seal of 3 dice. Hit double tapping, you niggas gon' like it. It's just a little post, you niggas ain't piping. Fitting in the strap in the cinnamon biting. Baguettes in the cross on an iced out Christ. I put it on God, I put it on life. 3 wheels pulling out the parking lot, bitch, and them look like I'm riding on a goddamn tricycle. Nigga ain't nothing to get popped, it's simple. Bitch, I'm setting up shop in the middle, I'm having credentials.
Hey, y'all heard the preset, man. Great gas patch, great pressure like always. I'm gonna show y'all everything that's on it right now. So let's go. Bag is right there, go get it. Them bags right there, 250. 100,500 the midget. I was racking my gun in the kitchen. On the low, we fucking you bitches. On the cold, no not a tissue. Billy Hole, the switch got a 50. Rich cold, you started with Christmas. Sheesh. Hey, y'all heard how that sounded, man. I just recorded that right now on my little microphone I got. This the AT2020 USB Plus. Hey, I ain't gonna count. I surprised myself. I ain't know the preset would sound that good on my mic. But hey, that show y'all how good the preset is, man. I ain't just gassing it up. You know what I'm saying? I use these presets too. I just tweak them up. I started the Migos preset off with a graphic EQ. Go ahead and get the vocals clean. I ain't gonna go too much in detail. Y'all just pay attention to the screen. This graphic EQ makes a huge difference. Hey, my bad if y'all hear a little background noise. I am outside recording this, but I did denoise a little bit. Coming right behind the graphic EQ, we added the exciter. Hey, I use the exciter to add some brightness. When you try to boost the highs with the EQ3M and you just boost the high end knob, it starts to sound scratchy and like harsh and nasty. That's why I usually use the exciter. Hey man, so here are the settings I got on the exciter. As always, if it ain't perfect for you, just change it up, man. These presets, I mean, they ain't meant to just stay how they is. You could change it up and then just save the preset and name it whatever you want. Yeah, man, but moving on. After that, we got a tape simulator. Y'all know I usually put this first, but it works right here too. Beefens the sound up, makes the sound more full, more body, more thicker, you know what I'm saying? And that's what we want, that larger than life sound. Hey, so here are the settings I got. As always, tweak to y'all needs until it sounds perfect for you. Okay, bet. So after that, y'all know we had to slap the de-esser on because the vocals might sound a little harsh because we done boosted it up with the exciter. Hey, so I put the de-esser right here around 5,000 something hertz. Y'all know that's a sweet spot to take away them S's. Or at least soften them up a little bit. Hey, that's what we want, them nice soft S's so they don't poke through your mix and make it sound unprofessional. Hey, now it's time to compress these vocals, man. Or as I like to call it, it's time to glue. Glue these vocals together, get them sounding more consistent. Hey, that's the whole goal of compression, man, to have nice, consistent vocals. You know what I'm saying? And compression makes the vocals pop out more too. More full, you know what I'm saying? Hey, so we pulled out the TechLab compressor. Here are the settings I got on it. As always, y'all can change the squeeze up to add more or less compression. That's why I like this compressor, because it's so simple. Hey, anybody can use it. You can get on this app today and know exactly how to use that. Okay, cool, man. After that, y'all know we had to add another compressor to get these vocals more forward. You know what I'm saying? Sitting better in that mix. I added the BL1176 as always. Hey, here are the settings I got. I ain't gonna go too crazy explaining that. Y'all see them. Hey, just download the preset. Everything come with it, man. Hey, y'all already know what time it is, man. Hey, it's time for the studio reverb. I think I got the mix on like 21%. The size around like 23. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. It'll be right there on the screen. Hey, the reverb plays a big role in getting them vocals to really sit in the mix and sound nice and smooth and silky. You know what I'm saying? Hey, take the reverb off and you'll hear what I'm saying. The vocals will just sound dull and nasty. It's gonna make it feel like you ain't even mix your vocals. Like you ain't even got a preset on it. Okay, man, after that, this will make this preset a little special. We added a stereo-wise to get them wide vocals. You know what I'm saying? That industry studio sound, that wide. So when you put it in your headphones, your vocals will sound nice and wide. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is optional, but I feel like it sounds real nice on the preset. Hey, here's what I got it on. Hey, you can turn the size down if you want it to be less wide. I wouldn't recommend making it wider than this, though. Hey, the last thing we added was the delay. Hey, here are the settings I got for the delay. Y'all already know how I'm coming. Hey, you can turn the wet amount down if you want less delay, or turn the wet amount up if you want more. Man, I know y'all hear that background noise. My bad, man. But yeah. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. For real, for real. I'm gonna let y'all hear the whole song. And for all the ones that stayed around to this long, man, you a real one. Comment slat in the video so I know you really stayed. You feel me? If you made it this far in the video, comment slat. Feel me? I know you're a real one and you made it this far. But let me go ahead and play the whole song for y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all next time.
The bag is right there, go get it. Them baggers right there, 250s, 100,000, 500, a midget. I was racking my gun in the kitchen. On the low, we fucking your bitches. Wipe his nose, but no, not a tissue. Bullet hole, the switch got a 50. Rich is cold, you think it was Christmas. Nigga know that it's up. Fucking that bitch in the back of the Maybach, I told her to put the seat up. I'm not gonna go to the internet, I'm about that dash and it's time to meet up. Broke niggas know we not into that, go get some bigger red, time to eat up. Call my young nigga, he spinning that, he wants some strike with the gang of Dita.
My bad, I forgot to mention, through the pandemic, we was still running up chicken, whipping that shit in the kitchen. You make a mention, a ticket to make you go missing, don't do the sneak dissing. I'm starting to think niggas with panties, you niggas some bitches, but you niggas run out of money, my niggas gon' get it, cause every day government printing. How you gon' get it? Just send me the ad and my niggas will ship it. A million, 20s and 50s and 100s, sitting on the floor, look how I swim in it. Don't wanna get popped, don't open your top, you better move militant. They talking about COVID when I heard the news, I started sipping the remedy. If I got an op and you say you my brother, then it better be your enemy. I'm taking them back to the band, way back when the nigga was breaking the interim. They with the tree like a Timberland. Lady Gaga and that Kimberly. Capital Jeopardy stitching, these niggas be snitching, they acting real.
It's time to move righteous, I'm moving precise. As I look at my schedule, no time for no wifey. Hit her like crap with a seal of 3 dice. Hit double tapping, you niggas gon' like it. It's just a little post, you niggas ain't piping. Fitting in the strap in the Cinnabon biting. Baguettes in the cross on an iced out Christ. I put it on God, I put it on life. 3 wheels pulling out the parking lot, bitch, and them look like I'm riding on a goddamn tricycle. Nigga ain't nothing to get popped, it's simple. Bitch, I'm setting up shop in the middle, I'm having credentials. You a dud, I had to go shrimp them. Birkin buds, I had to go trim them. I ain't wanna kill them, so I dipped them. Mama, she said just lay in the bed if niggas ain't got no pots to piss. Back in the day, I was having to act. Young niggas killing their kidneys all tricks. Straight out the mud, they're showing the wrist. My diamonds hit, these bitches flinch. I put that shit on, not dripping, not drenched. Finessing the back like the Grinch.
Come on, man. Okay.
Come on, dog. Culture 3. Culture 3.
Oh, man.
We gone.
Migos gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way, the LA legal way.
Yeah.
LA legal way.
LA legal.
Culture 3 out right now. Let them know, y'all.
Culture 3 out right now.
Culture 3.
Trilogy.
The trilogy.
The trilogy.
It's out.
Just
Yeah.
Culture 3.
The masterpiece.
It's an honor and a privilege. Thank you guys for coming through, man.
Yes, sir, man. LA legal way, man.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us.
We gone.
Power 106, LA's #1 for hip hop. Lift off show. Yes, sir.